Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the clock type and noting hand lengths because alignment differs. Remove power or battery. Once done, stabilize the mechanism on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the face. Loosen the center nut just enough to allow hand movement without full disassembly, and mark the bezel at the top for reference. Do this now to prevent reassembly errors. Make sure to work under steady light so you can see tiny indexing marks and hand pivots clearly. You now focus on precise alignment because the only way to solve drift is correct indexing. First, set the minute hand exactly to 12, then align the hour hand to the intended hour, accounting for fractional advancement if needed. Once done, gently tighten the center nut to hold position but allow micro-adjustment. Advance the minute hand one full rotation to check the hour hand moves in sync. If not, repeat micro-adjustments and retest. This step removes cumulative error and restores accurate relative. You finish by securing the assembly and verifying performance because small slips cause long-term error. Tighten the center nut fully, reinstall power, and observe for at least 5 to 10 minutes to confirm steady movement. If the issue persists, remove power and recheck hand clearance. Often friction or overlap causes phase shift. Once done, correct clearance and realign. If needed, insert a tiny paper shim under a hand to nudge phase slightly. Make sure to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.